Whether manufacturing new jewelry or repairing old jewelry, solder is essential for all jewelers in the trade. Because United cares for its customers, they only produce cadmium-free solder. Made from 100% recycled content, United ensures only the best materials are used in their solders. Available in gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, United is proud to be one of the largest manufacturers and suppliers of jewelry solders for the industry, serving over 24,000 accounts around the world. Gold solder is available in plumb and repair, ranging from 6 to 22 karat. Gold and silver solders also come in a variety of flow options, such as extra easy, easy, medium, hard, and extra hard. Palladium-based white gold solders are also available in 14 and 18 karat. Platinum and palladium solders are also readily available. You can also choose the type of solder that fits your need, from clipped solder, 1 to 5 pennyweight pieces, or laser wire. Interested in making your own solder? United offers gold and silver solder master alloys. These master alloys are designed to allow customers to fabricate their own gold and silver solders in a variety of colors, carats, and flows. For pricing and more information on United Solder or Solder Master Alloys, call 1-800-999-FINE or visit unitedpmr.com.